Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Canada launches Defense Drone Initiative to accelerate sovereign uncrewed systems development and strengthen domestic defense industry. Canada has launched a new defense drone initiative aimed at speeding the development, testing and production of domestically developed uncrewed and autonomous systems. The program is intended to give the Canadian Armed Forces and Canadian Coast Guard faster access to sovereign capabilities in a more complex security environment. The initiative will be led jointly by the Department of National Defence and the Defence Investment Agency. It is designed to create a faster route for promising Canadian technologies to move from concept through operational testing and, where requirements are met, into production. The program will connect military and Coast Guard requirements with Canadian expertise in drones and related technologies. Those areas include robotics, artificial intelligence, aerospace, advanced manufacturing, sensors, secure communications, navigation, propulsion and advanced materials. Canada said recent conflicts have shown how quickly uncrewed systems are changing military operations. Drones can support intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, logistics, personnel protection, counter-drone missions and other operational tasks. The initiative will allow promising technologies to be tested and refined using operational feedback. The government said this approach is intended to shorten the transition from development to production. Initial areas of interest include low-cost tactical intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance drones and uncrewed ground vehicles for logistics and difficult terrain. The program also covers maritime surface and underwater systems, counter-drone interceptors, standardized drone munitions and explosive payloads, and deep precision strike systems. The government plans to engage companies across the Canadian defence sector, including startups, medium-sized businesses and established manufacturers. The initiative is also intended to create new opportunities for domestic suppliers while expanding Canada's defence industrial base. The future of defence will belong to those who can innovate and adapt the fastest, said David J. McGuinty, Canada's Minister of National Defence. Uncrewed and autonomous systems are already transforming modern military operations, and Canada must be ready to develop, test and field these capabilities at speed. Stephen Fu, Secretary of State for Defence Procurement, said the program is intended to support sovereign military capabilities and Canada's defence industrial strategy. By engaging Canadian innovators, we are deepening our domestic defence supply chain and delivering critical capabilities to the Canadian Armed Forces and the Canadian Coast Guard. Vice Admiral Angus Topsy, Acting Chief of the Defence Staff, linked the initiative to changes in the character of warfare. The Defence Drone Initiative will strengthen the Canadian Armed Forces by connecting operational requirements with Canadian innovation so we can field the capabilities our personnel need for future operations. Doug Guzman, Chief Executive Officer of the Defence Investment Agency, said the program extends beyond the acquisition of new equipment. Building Canada's uncrewed systems ecosystem goes beyond acquiring new equipment. It strengthens national security, improves operational readiness, supports innovation, grows the defense industry, and creates jobs. The request for supply arrangement is open through Canada Buys until the 14th of August 2026. The Defence Investment Agency will hold a virtual information session for interested suppliers on the 30th of July. Qualification under the arrangement will not automatically result in a contract. Successful suppliers will instead become eligible to compete for future work covering testing, prototype development, limited acquisitions and potential production opportunities. The initiative forms part of Canada's effort to build a domestic pipeline for uncrewed and autonomous defence technologies. It also gives the government a framework for linking operational demand with Canadian development and manufacturing capacity. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.